Hi everyone, this is the beginning of Unit 4. Unit 4 is all about the periodic table, so we're starting today with some history of the periodic table. The first guy or scientist that we need to talk about is Antoine Lavoisier. Probably said that wrong. But in 1970, he decided to put together a list of all of the known elements. At that time, there were only 23. In the 1800s, the creation of electricity led to the discovery of many more elements. So right around the time of the Industrial Revolution, there were a lot more discoveries. By 1870, there were around 70 known elements. There was a lot more information that was discovered around this time, specifically about different elements, so chemists needed a way to help organize everything. In 1864, an English chemist found that if he put the elements together in order of increasing atomic mass, that certain elemental properties repeated each other. Next, we have Dmitry Mendeleev. This is going to be a really important name that you definitely need to remember. In 1869, a Russian chemist named Dmitry Mendeleev was able to demonstrate a connection between atomic mass and elemental properties. He gets credit because he created the first periodic table. I would put a big star next to that because it's going to be a test question. His periodic table was widely accepted because it left spaces for elements that he knew weren't discovered yet. His table wasn't quite correct. As it became easier to determine atomic masses, it was discovered that some of his elements were out of order. Next, we have Henry Moseley. It was discovered after a group of elements were rearranged that some of them were in groups with different properties. The reason for the problem was determined by Henry Moseley in 1913. Moseley had previously discovered that atoms of each element contain a unique number of protons, which correspond to the element's atomic number. He arranged his periodic table according to atomic number. Again, I would put a big star next to that last bullet point. Periodic law says there's a repetition of chemical and physical properties of elements when they're arranged by increasing atomic number. So our periodic tables that we use are arranged by increasing atomic number. Modern periodic law says the table consists of boxes which include the name, the symbol, the atomic number, and the average atomic mass. The boxes arranged in rows are called periods. The columns are called groups. The groups that are designated with an A have a large range of different properties. The groups that are designated with a B are called transition metals. So I have a video that I would like you guys to watch at home. I will put it down here in the Unit 4 resources on the website, so please go watch that after the notes. And I have one more here that will also be at the bottom of this website page. Okay, so that's it for this first set of notes. In class today, we're also going to be labeling and coloring our own periodic tables. If you're at home, you may just need to do this when you return to school, but I'll go ahead and post pictures.